We started TuSimple in 2015. Our mission is to bring fully autonomous trucks to the market. TuSimple believes that autonomous trucking will have a huge impact on transportation, logistics, and e-commerce. The value of our Level 4 system is twofold. One, it is a powerful stimulus to the economic growth. Second, it tackles the safety and driver shortage challenges that the logistics industry is facing today. Our full-stack solution integrates perception, localization, mapping, motion planning, and control algorithms. TuSimple's camera-based perception algorithm is powerful enough to spot an obstacle from over 700 feet away. Our localization algorithms assure that our truck and trailers are always driving in lane, even in adversarial conditions such as driving in mountainous areas or in tunnels. We can achieve precise localization to about 4 inches. We also build the HD maps by ourselves. This is a highly customized, high-precision map that consists of lane-level navigation information as well as 3D geometry of the terrain. Our motion planning and control algorithms adapt to real conditions and reliably conduct maneuvers such as adaptive cruise control, lane changing, merging in and out, avoiding slow or stopped vehicles, and responding to emergent situations on the road. With all these components working together, we can achieve safety and efficiency at the same time.
Under SAE guidelines, autonomy levels 1 through 3 require human intervention. With Level 4 autonomy, the vehicle can achieve full automation within defined conditions with no human intervention. Our goal is exactly that, to provide a fully automated transportation solution for on and near highways. TuSimple's business model is to automate the middle mile of the supply chain. The middle mile includes transportation between ports, plants, warehouses, and distribution centers. TuSimple's autonomous trucks are able to maneuver to and from these areas through highways with no human intervention. We're currently collaborating with Peterbilt in the US and Shaanxi Auto Group in China to bring the most innovative autonomous products to the market. In 2018, we will expand testing to include 2 full truck fleets, one in the US and another in China, and we'll also start pulling commercial cargo at scale. Meanwhile, we're working on building out our teams of top talent, like our production engineering team here in Arizona. All of this progress brings us closer to achieving our goal of a safer, cleaner, and more efficient trucking industry.